Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'm going to show you how to grill a boneless beef chuck roast in a quick, easy and simple steps using very common pantry ingredients and without spending hours marinating. Non-traditionally, I've only marinated it for about 20 minutes to see if it works, and the outcome was pretty good, which is why I'm sharing the recipe for you guys to try it out. Here's the 2.5 pounds of boneless beef chuck roast. I'm going to mix 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of classic yellow mustard. You could also use Dijon mustard instead. The vinegar component of mustard is intense enough to work as an excellent marinade for steaks. Brush it over thoroughly and season very generously with kosher salt followed by fresh ground black pepper, onion powder and garlic powder. Once you're done with one side, turn over and repeat the same for the other side. Then set it aside for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, heat your grill for about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the meat on the grill and cook covered. It requires about 15 to 20 minutes per pound of meat depending on the thickness of the meat as well as your desired doneness. Since I'm cooking over direct heat, it's very important to turn over more often. Otherwise, any one side could end up being burnt. You also want to ensure even cooking for both sides. A boneless beef chuck roast on an average weighs about 2.6 pounds. While the meat is cooking, I decided to throw in some corn on the cob and bell pepper. I've simply seasoned the corn with some fresh ground black pepper and added salted butter with it. If you use unsalted butter, make sure to season the corn with some salt. Wrap it in a way so when the butter melts, it doesn't leak and drip out. Ideally, for a more tender outcome, you should either pound the meat or leave it to marinate for hours. Also, you should be cooking over indirect heat for a longer period of time. I decided to experiment with a shorter length of marinating time and cooking over direct heat. And honestly, I wasn't disappointed with the outcome. I was quite happy. However, remember to turn over the corn on the cob and the peppers as well. Since I'm aiming for medium rare, once the internal temperature of the meat reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to take it off the grill. Once I took it off the grill, I covered and rested it for about 25 minutes. This helps the meat to retain and absorb its own juice, making it more tender. Lastly, slice it up and dig in. Mine came out juicy and tender. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you very much.